Hi everyone, I'm Rachel Tiffany, a land broker and auctioneer in Iowa, here to give you a quick report about what we saw in January for Iowa farmland auctions. The graph you're looking at right now shows a year ago, January 2022 to now, this past month, and it's the dollars per acre average of the farmland auctions that have happened in Iowa. Currently, the average dollars per acre is $12,627, and in December, it was $12,657, so pretty much the same. A year ago in January, though, it was only $9,611. This graph shows the number of acres that sold from January 2022 to this past month. In January, we saw 5,458 acres sold, which is about half compared to what we saw in December. December, we sold 10,450 acres all across Iowa. That's all the Iowa farmland auctions that happened. And that's typical because a lot of people want to sell by the end of the year. That's why there was 10,000 acres that sold in December. As you can see, last January, there was 3,426 acres that sold. So that's typical, and it's going to pick up here February, March, April, and then slow back down probably during the summer months, the crop season, even though you can sell land during the crop season, and then it'll pick back up in the fall and winter. The last graph that I'm sharing is a dollars per CSR2 average. For January, it was $168.64 per CSR2. December, it was $164, and a year ago, it was $138 per CSR2. In total, there was $60,512,778 worth of farmland that was sold in Iowa in January, just that month. I've gotten this comment a few times because I share the highest selling farms of the week, but I wanted to point out the lowest selling farm for January at least. The lowest dollars per acre farm was January 17th, 320 acres in Lucas County, sold for $4,315 per acre, had a 30.5 CSR2 rating, which calculates to be $141 per CSR2, and it was only 14% tillable. Another 80 acres in Wayne sold for $4,600. Mahaska County had 80 acres that sold for $6,200 per acre. The highest dollars per acre farmland sale that happened in January was Clay County. January 6th, 80 acres sold for $21,700 per acre, had a 97 CSR2 rating, and it was 99% tillable. Go back and watch my old videos about all the rest of the high selling farms for January, and of course, reach me at rachel@dreamdirt.com.